Hi again. In this video, I would like to show you a couple of things about networking dashboards. You have probably had the request sometime to offer a single view of how the network is doing. Well, guess what? In ACI, you probably know this, but there's an out-of-the-box dashboard showing most useful information, like, for example, how good your tenants are doing in your network, how many faults you have, how good or how bad your switches are doing, and of course, how good or how bad the overall system is doing. And in this time-based diagram we are seeing here in the picture. So that's out of the box in the products, but what if you want to see something more specific? What if you want to see not how the whole network is doing, but how your applications are doing? Well, there are more specific dashboards, as for example this one, which is focused on a single tenant and is showing everything related to that tenant. So the health of the overall tenant, a tenant is a group of applications, and therefore as well the health of the individual applications and the server groups inside of those applications. Everything here is on 100% health, so looks good. We can be sure the network is doing fine. What if we don't like these dashboards out of the box and we want to make our own? Well, you can do that. There's an application based on the Ruby SDK for ACI with which Paul Lisiak built this great widget-based dashboard which you can customize as well. And by the way, if you want to use it, you can download that. What you were seeing before is the installation on my own Mac OS. But it's not enough with this one. There are some, I recently had a customer that wanted to have something based on PHP and something very simple. They just wanted to see the endpoints associated with each endpoint group in ACI. And this is exactly what we are showing here in a graphical and text form. I use these dials that can scale, in this case, up to 4 endpoints, but that's a variable that you can set in the code. And below we see a summary bar graph with all tenants in all 4 server groups or endpoint groups. Again, you can download this from GitHub. All what I'm showing here is open source. You can go download it, play with it, modify it, and start rocking. So the last thing is a colleague of mine recently asked me whether would it be nice, would it be possible having a desktop widget? Well, it is, and I built a first version of this one, which has 3 views: a tenant health, which shows the health of every tenant. The overall health is displayed inside of this heart. It shows the switch health with the health of each individual leaf in this case, and it will show summary of the aggregated faults that exist in the system today. So I can see at first sight how my ACI system is doing without even having to log into the API. If you have any ideas about cool dashboards, please post them as comments to this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you are so thrilled as I am working with ACI's API. Thanks and have a good time. Take care.